Chicago family law attorney facing divorce or major changes to your family can feel overwhelming, uncertain, and deeply personal. These reactions are normal and that people in this position often need more than procedural guidance. They need steady support, clear explanations, and someone who listens while helping them make thoughtful decisions during a difficult time. The focus is on protecting what matters most, whether that involves finances, parenting arrangements, or understanding what the legal process requires. Illinois family law governs divorce, property division, parenting responsibilities, child support, and spousal maintenance. Divorce in Illinois is based on a no-fault system using irreconcilable differences, but the path can vary depending on whether the matter is contested or uncontested. An uncontested divorce occurs when spouses agree on all major terms and submit a complete settlement for court approval, often allowing the process to conclude more quickly. A contested divorce arises when disputes remain and court intervention is required, which can extend the timeline and increase complexity through discovery, hearings, and possibly trial. The content emphasizes that each family's situation is unique and requires careful planning. Parenting matters in Illinois are decided based on the child's best interests, with parenting plans addressing schedules, decision-making authority, communication, and transportation. Child support follows an income shares model that considers both parents' incomes and parenting time, and orders may be modified when circumstances change. Property division aims for fairness rather than an automatic equal split, requiring clear identification and valuation of marital and non-marital assets. Spousal maintenance is determined using statutory factors and, in many cases, a formula tied to income and marriage length. For someone searching for a lawyer during a family law dispute, having guidance that balances legal preparation with an understanding of people. It describes how cases are prepared with financial analysis, child-focused proposals, and readiness for negotiation or court when necessary. The approach includes addressing high-asset divorces, enforcement of court orders, and post-decree modifications when life circumstances shift after a judgment is entered. The value of perspective and experience. Founding partner Molly E. Caesar brings a background that includes psychology and social work, which informs how emotional and relational dynamics are addressed in family law matters. Founding partner Michael Ian Bender previously served as a domestic relations judge in Cook County, presiding over tens of thousands of family law proceedings, and now draws on that judicial experience to guide clients through the process. Their combined experience is presented as a way to offer clear, steady direction in both negotiated resolutions and contested proceedings. When working with an attorney in these matters, preparation and clarity are central themes throughout. Whether the issue involves relocation requests, enforcement actions, or modifications to custody, support, or maintenance, the process requires proper filings, evidence, and alignment with Illinois statutes. Courts focus on stability, fairness, and compliance with existing orders, and that enforcement tools exist when orders are ignored. Throughout the discussion, the emphasis remains on listening first, building strategies around individual goals, and moving forward with confidence. Choosing a lawyer is described not simply as a procedural step, but as a decision that affects both present stability and future direction. The role of the attorney is framed as guiding clients through complex decisions while keeping children's needs and long-term outcomes in focus. Caesar and Bender, LLP is presented as a law firm that combines legal skill with a genuine understanding of family dynamics. The law firm's work centers on careful preparation, clear communication, and respect for each client's situation. With offices at 150 North Michigan Avenue No. 2130, Chicago, Illinois, 60601, United States, and a phone number of 312-236-1500, Caesar and Bender, LLP offers support to those navigating family law matters in Chicago with empathy, steadiness, and attention to what matters most.